Subscribe here for more educational videos. Ring bell to be first viewer of new uploads. Click thumb icon if you like this video to encourage us. ITOYS presents. Hello kids, let's hear a fairy tale named Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time, there lived a girl named Little Red Riding Hood. One day her mother said,
"Your grandmother is ill. Take this basket of cakes to her cottage. Don't talk to strangers on the way."
Little Red Riding Hood promised her mother not to talk to strangers, and left her home. Little Red Riding Hood moved through the forest. On her way, she met a big bad wolf.
"Where are you going, all alone?"
"To see my ill grandma."
For more information, visit our website. The big bad wolf immediately ran to her grandmother's cottage. Before Little Red Riding Hood, it knocked at the door.
"Who is there at the door?"
"It's me, Little Red Riding Hood, Grandma."
"Open the latch, and come in, dear."
The big bad wolf opened the latch, and entered the cottage. Then, he entered the bedroom, and locked Grandma in the cupboard. The big bad wolf then wore Grandma's clothes, and slipped into the bed, waiting for Little Red Riding Hood. When Little Red Riding Hood reached the cottage, she knocked at the door.
"Can I come in, Grandma?"
"Open the latch, and come in."
Red Riding Hood entered, and went to Grandma's bedside.
"My, what big eyes you have, Grandma.
"All the better to see you with, my dear."
What big mouth you have, Grandma.
"All the better to eat you with."
Growled the wolf, pouncing on her. Little Red Riding Hood screamed in fright. The woodcutter in the forest heard the scream, and came running to the cottage. The woodcutter hit the big bad wolf with sticks, saving Little Red Riding Hood. The wolf ran away. Then the woodcutter took Grandma out from the cupboard. Grandma hugged Little Red Riding Hood with joy. Now, Little Red Riding Hood had learned her lesson, not to speak to strangers ever again.